Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pratikno. I will presentation from my paper with title Strengthening Student Independent Character Through a Systematic Online Learning Model at SD Negeri Sidanegara 4, Cilacap. Background from my paper is the impact of the circular of the Ministry of Education and Culture number 4 of 2020 result in learning that usually occurs face-to-face in the classroom switching to distance learning. Implementation distance learning that is required online because where school cannot bring students to school. So, that educator must be able to master the online learning application mode. The role of parent in learning assistant for student result in student becoming not independent. Many parents of SD Negeri Sidanegara for student complain that their son and daughter rely heavily on their parent in doing the task assigned by educator online. Goals: even though students should be independent in learning to overcome the negative impact of online learning. Educator must try to innovate existing learning models to strengthen the independent character of students. Research method. The method used in this research is an experimental method with a quasi-experiment design. Researchers use a quasi-experimental design non-equivalent control group design. Result of the research, which comparing the pre-test and post-test result from the experimental group and the control group. Research result. The first, before the research was conducted, file permits were arranged, research proposals were made, and the research plan was disseminated to the school where the research was conducted. The second, preparation is instrumental, namely testing the validity and reliability of the instrument to be used. The second, instrument testing, which carried out before the instrument was used as a data collection tool. Before testing the instrument, it is first validated by an expert, and then testing the research instrument is carried out to students outside the population. The result of the instrument trial were then analyzed to determine the validity and reliability of the instrument. Third, the reliability test of the independent character questionnaire from on 25 item question declared valid. The reliability test is calculated using the Spearman-Brown formula. After calculating using SPSS 25, the value is 0,846. Based on this data, the 25 items of the independent character questionnaire were declared reliable. For research data obtained from the test before being given treatment and data from the test result after treatment. The test questions are in the form of a questionnaire about independent character consisting of 25 questions in the format of Google Form. Result of the research in the form of pre-test and post-test values were explained in the data description for got the complete data. Descriptive statistic data from this research explained from the table. Okay. Independent t-test result using SPSS25 can we see from the table. The result independent character value explain that seek-to-tail value is 0,000 with significant level 0,05%. It means that seek-to-tail values smaller from significant level can be concluded there is a significant difference in independent character strengthening with a systematic online learning model. Conclusion. The first, systematic online learning planning is carried out by making online learning schedule, making online learning role, mutually agreed upon with students, and making learning tools. The second, the implementation of the online learning model is by implementing online learning through online applications such as Google Meet or Zoom meeting, creating a Google Classroom equipped with material, assignment, tests, and YouTube link related to learning material. Third, the impact of the online learning model based on the post-test result of the experimental class and the control class regarding the independent character of student. Through the t-test using SPSS25 is that there is a difference between before treatment and after treatment in the experimental group based on the seek-to-tail 0,000 below the significant level of 0,05, which means that there is a significant difference between before and after treatment using a systematic online learning model. Based on the descriptive static data above, the average post-test result for the experimental. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.